Late nights, quiet mornings, and moments when ideas flow best from the comfort of your bed deserve a smarter companion. The Best Laptop Bed Desk Lap Desk 2026 transforms everyday screen time into a cozy, focused experience, helping you feel relaxed yet productive anywhere at home. Designed for modern lifestyles, it supports study, work, and creativity without breaking your comfort zone. If you crave balance between ease and efficiency, this desk turns personal space into a place where motivation naturally grows and every task feels lighter. Number 1. BUYIFY Folding Lap Desk. Evenings feel calmer when comfort meets purpose. BUYIFY Folding Lap Desk brings quiet focus to daily routines, turning bed, sofa, couch, floor moments into gentle productivity. This laptop bed desk lap desk supports modern life where work, reading, writing, eating, or movie watching blend naturally. Crafted with a warm wooden presence and deep black tone, it creates a peaceful space that feels personal and inviting. The 23-inch size offers freedom for movement while keeping balance steady during long hours. Students, creators, remote professionals discover relief from stiffness and clutter, enjoying a relaxed posture that encourages flow. This portable companion fits changing moods and rooms, helping minds stay clear and inspired. When routines feel heavy, this folding lap desk adds ease and harmony, making simple tasks feel lighter and more enjoyable. Choosing BUYIFY means choosing comfort-driven motivation that quietly supports daily goals and turns ordinary time into something meaningful. Number 2. Laptop Stand for Bed, Potuopy Leather Adjustable Bed. Quiet moments at home feel more valuable when comfort supports daily habits. Potuopy Leather Adjustable Bed Desk Table Tray creates a soft working mood for laptop use, eating, writing, drawing, or relaxed tasks on couch, floor, or bed. This laptop stand for bed brings a calm gray tone that blends gently with personal spaces, helping the mind slow down and focus naturally. Extra large folding lap desk size offers a sense of openness, allowing creativity to flow without pressure. A smooth leather touch adds warmth, making long hours feel less tiring and more enjoyable. Students, artists, remote workers feel supported during study sessions or peaceful evenings. The built-in drawer keeps daily essentials close, reducing distraction and stress. When routines feel crowded, this bed desk tray turns simple moments into organized comfort, encouraging balance, productivity, and emotional ease every single day. Number 3. Laptop Desk Table, SAIJI Adjustable Laptop Stand. Soft routines feel easier when space adapts to emotion. SAIJI Adjustable Laptop Stand Laptop Desk Table invites calm focus during quiet mornings or slow evenings across sofa, couch, bed, floor moments. This portable lap desk supports notebook, standing, breakfast, reading tasks while keeping posture relaxed and mind clear. Black tone adds depth that feels steady and confident, creating a personal zone where effort feels lighter. Foldable legs allow smooth transitions between rest and activity, helping days flow without stress. Students, learners, writers, and remote workers find comfort during long sessions without feeling confined. Medium-sized balance gives freedom without crowding, encouraging steady attention and gentle productivity. When daily life feels rushed, this reading desk becomes a pause point that restores order and peace. Choosing SAIJI means choosing emotional ease, thoughtful design, and a workspace that quietly supports motivation, comfort, and everyday balance without demanding change. Number 4. HUANUO Laptop Bed Desk, Laptop Tray Computer. Slow days feel kinder when comfort supports every task. HUANUO Laptop Bed Desk creates a calm rhythm for working, eating, or relaxed screen time across bed, couch, sofa, floor spaces. This laptop tray computer lap desk shapes a peaceful corner where focus grows without pressure. Gentle balance helps posture feel natural while thoughts stay clear. Foldable lap stand table design allows easy movement between rest and activity, bringing harmony to changing moods. Adjustable height encourages personal comfort, letting the body relax instead of strain. 35-degree adjustable tilt angle adds a sense of control that reduces daily stress. Students, remote workers, readers discover renewed ease during long sessions, feeling supported rather than tired. Life feels lighter when routines adapt quietly. HUANUO Laptop Bed Desk becomes part of everyday comfort, turning ordinary moments into steady productivity and emotional relief that feels reassuring, familiar, and deeply satisfying. Number 4. HUANUO Laptop Bed Desk, Laptop Tray Computer. Slow days feel kinder when comfort supports every task. HUANUO Laptop Bed Desk creates a calm rhythm for working, eating, or relaxed screen time across bed, couch, sofa, floor spaces. This laptop tray computer lap desk shapes a peaceful corner where focus grows without pressure. Gentle balance helps posture feel natural while thoughts stay clear. Foldable lap stand table design allows easy movement between rest and activity, bringing harmony to changing moods. Adjustable height encourages personal comfort, letting the body relax instead of strain. 35-degree adjustable tilt angle adds a sense of control that reduces daily stress. Students, remote workers, readers discover renewed ease during long sessions, feeling supported rather than tired. Life feels lighter when routines adapt quietly. HUANUO laptop bed desk becomes part of everyday comfort, turning ordinary moments into steady. Pro to number 5. SONGMICS bed laptop desk, folding bed tray. Morning calm feels richer when space brings peace. SONGMICS bed laptop desk offers gentle support during quiet hours spent learning, dreaming, creating, or enjoying warm meals near windows. This folding bed tray invites balance across bedroom sofa corner routines, shaping comfort without effort. Light bamboo tone adds natural warmth that soothes eyes while thoughts slow down. Everyday moments gain purpose through organized ease, allowing focus to arrive softly. Portable design fits changing moods and rooms, giving freedom without pressure. Students, readers, writers, remote workers feel cared for during long sessions, discovering relief from cluttered habits. 15.6 inches laptop compatibility suits modern digital life while keeping atmosphere relaxed. This bamboo desk becomes part of daily rhythm, encouraging mindful living, gentle productivity, and emotional comfort that turns ordinary time into something deeply personal and quietly satisfying. Activity and emotional relief that feels reassuring, familiar, and deeply satisfying.